Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. It's Friday. It's Friday. Everybody loves Friday. So, today we have a special guest on our show. This special guest has not been here since December because I really didn't like what was going on with this guest. Anyway, I know you're all going, what is she talking about? I got Boxycharm for the first time since December 2018, the Luxebox. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm a little bit quirky today because it's Friday and I'm really, really happy it's Friday because it's just been a long week. I'm in Toronto, Canada. So, Boxycharm is 21 US American dollars a month. In Canada, we pay $5 shipping. You convert that, it's going to cost you about $35 for Boxycharm. My link is down below. If you sign up now, you're going to get a free Glam Glow mask. And also, if you resubscribe, you can get a free event primer moisturizer. And there's 2 codes for that. And I don't remember what it is. So I'll put it in my description down below with my link for Boxycharm. Those 2 codes if you want to sign up now, okay? So if you re-sign, you get a free primer moisturizer, which is over like $100 in value, US. And if you're new and you want to sign up for Boxycharm, you're going to get a Glam Glow, I think it is a mask, but I'm going to put those codes down below. Okay, so we're going to get into Boxycharm. Just an FYI, BoxyLux September. What the heck am I sitting on here? Those little worms out of my Topbox. BoxyLux is coming out in September. A few things, because I get asked this all the time. You have to be a subscriber in August in order to get the BoxyLux. BoxyLux is $50 more, okay? So it's going to cost Canadians between $80 and $90. So let's say you subscribe in August for your regular Boxycharm. This is going to be $35. Then you upgrade and say you want the BoxyLux. Come September 1st, they're going to charge you first $35. And if that goes through, then they're going to charge you, I think it's $45.99 US, which in total is between $85 and $90. Okay. I don't want to confuse you because I get asked this as well. You do not get the regular box and the BoxyLux box. If you're getting BoxyLux, you just get BoxyLux. You don't get the regular box and the BoxyLux. You get charged this first for $35, and if it goes through, then they'll charge you the extra, $45, $46 for the BoxyLux. BoxyLux is the $46 plus the $35 in total. That's how much it costs for BoxyLux, okay? And they have a whole lot of spoilers out right now. You can get to customize your box. They sent emails, so those of you who's already with Boxycharm, check your emails. They've sent you emails to get you to customize your BoxyLux. They have some great things coming. I'm just praying to God they got, I want to see an eyeshadow palette. I don't want all skincare. I want eyeshadow palette. So anyway, I signed up for Boxycharm for 3 months. It cost me about $95 Canadian for 3 months for Boxycharm. Because I haven't been with them since December and I liked what I seen coming out this month. So we're going to get into the box. All right, see, I talk too much, don't I? I'm trying to find out what my box number is because I know I get asked this, but I'm sure everybody's got their box already. I'm late. So, I can't find that. The weight. People always ask, what's the weight? By the Lord, I can't even find it. And sometimes even is this box smaller than, I swear to God, this box is smaller than the regular Boxycharm boxes. Anyway, I can't see what even my box number is. Which is odd. But this box is smaller. I'm telling you, like I said, I haven't gotten a box since last year. And the box is smaller. Where's the weight? I can't even find that. Weight. I don't know. Can't find it. It's not telling me. Zeros. That's what I got. I got $12.80 total. That's how much we're saying the amount is. But yeah, I don't even see the box number. Anyway, we're going in. Okay. So it always comes with a card and lets you know what's in your box and how much. And remember, for those of you in Canada, this is in US dollars, the price is. And then I got this little flash facial, $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar Boxycharm, which we don't have Ulta here in Canada. Coupon. Okay, first thing in my box is the Luxebox 3-piece brush set. Price of this is $30 US, which, you know, that's, I was going to say, is there a brush? Because, you know, I had to drop it. Oh, good Lord. Okay, so these are the brushes. This is the Luxy Large Eye Blending Brush, which I'm going to like this. Why does this feel weird? These brushes feel different against our regular Luxy brushes. Let me find one. Oh, Lisa, you know you got all kinds of these brushes here. Now, when you're looking for one, you can't find one. Right, you know, because it is that kind of a day. So this is a regular Luxy brush that I got probably from Boxycharm. So the handle feels different. It's more wooden. It doesn't have that plastic soft shellac on the old brushes. Shellac. So it's like a wooden brush. So that's one of them, the blending brush, which I'm going to love and decline. Then we have the Precision Crease Brush, which is great. I mean, you can, you know, smudge down here. You can do up here with your concealer. You can put a little bit, you know, highlight down here. And then you can go into the crease and, you know, really, if you want to do a really good fine cut crease, you can use that brush for it. And then we have a foundation brush. Now, are these like new foundation brushes coming out, like really flat? The really flat brushes. I haven't used one of these. Usually a foundation brush is a fat one, right? So I'm going to give this a try. I haven't used this type of foundation brush before. If you have, let me know. Do you like these better than the big fat brushes or the Beauty Blender? Let me know. Again, this was $30 US. So just these 3 brushes alone in Canadian covers this box. All right. Then we have the LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Here it is, and this is $35 US. Okay, I'm actually excited about trying this. I've heard a lot of people say really good things about this, so I'm really excited to give this a try. Right, so that's like 65 bucks right there in 2 items. Then we open up the box and we have the LMR Nude A Lip Gloss. And this is $15. And what is my flavor called? Oh, Lord. Coquetta? Coquetta. I need glasses. Oh, my goodness. Telling you. I've had 20/20 vision my whole life, but when you hit 40, it's the first to go. Ooh, I'm going to like this color because, you know, I like my browns, and I really like this color. I think it's not very often that I actually get a lip gloss in a subscription box that I like, but I like this one. I hope this is not sticky. It's got like almost, it's a lip gloss, but it almost feels like it's going to be sticky. But I like it. And there's no smell. Is this like, it's a weird feeling lip gloss. I don't know if that's just me. You guys got this lip gloss from LMR Cosmetics? Let me know. Do you find that it feels weird? All right, next thing in this box is a Pill Gel Eyeliner. It's $21. And I got a, what the hell did I get here? A green color. Forest green. I'm all up in that. All right, So I got the forest green. I'm not going to open this. I don't usually use eyeliners, and I probably won't use forest green. If there was like a nice rose gold, I would have used it, because I do use my rose gold Pixie one every now and then, and the one we got from L'Oreal last year from Topbox Circle every now and then. So I won't use this, so I put it in a giveaway. But, you know, actually I know someone who might like that. And this is the reason, this and the brushes and the LMS is the reason why I wanted the box, because I thought, okay, this is a good box. It was exciting for me. The last 6 months, what was coming out in the boxes wasn't exactly anything that got me excited. Most of it was probably because I had some of the items already, and then the eyeshadow palettes was probably just colors that I wasn't going to use, or it was another Tarte, or it was another Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I was just so done with those. So we got this one from Butter London, and this price is $32 US. Oh, my box is box number 1, FYI. And, oh my God, I cannot wait to dip my hands into this eyeshadow palette. I'm telling you, I can't wait to put my brushes in there, because I love these colors. Like, I might even try to do something with this one. I don't know what to do with that blue, but these colors are very nice. Let's see how well they swatch. Oh, hold on. Hold on, little girl. Okay, I'm going into Enchantress. There she is. This is Queen. Maybe a little bit darker for you. That's all right. Then we got Star, which is, what is that, like a silver? I keep on declining phone calls here. Then we have Diva, which is like a bronzy color. So this one here is more of like a light pink. Then there's Temptress. So Temptress is a matte. The first 4 were shimmers, and that's a brown. And then we got this Femme Fatale, which is a blue matte. So that's the colors there. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this brand. I've never tried any eyeshadows from Butter London before. And that's the thing with subscription boxes. You know, their thing about, you know, trying subscription boxes is to use or to try brands that you've never tried before. But when Boxy kept on putting out Tarte and Pure and all the same stuff, it was like, okay, I want to try new. So I've never tried anything from Butter London before. I'm excited about that. Again, you give me eyeshadow brushes every day of the week and I'm going to be happy. So that was a bonus. And Alamis is a great skincare company. I can't wait to try this. And it's not a face mask, which I love. And then, I mean, I got a lipstick in a color that I finally like. Woohoo, Boxycharm. It's the first time in 2 years, minus the last 6 months, that you got my color right. I'm so happy. Now, the green eyeliner, you know, I'll put it in a giveaway, or I'll give it to a friend of mine who will probably love this. So that's it, everyone. That is my Boxycharm. Don't forget, BoxyLux. If you're looking for spoilers for BoxyLux, just Google BoxyLux September 2019 spoilers, and you should find them. There's some awesome things coming out in that box. And hopefully you'll get to customize, because I know they sent out the email a few days ago. I'm going to put in my description box those 2 codes if you're signing up first time, or if you are going to re-sign. There's 2 items you can get for free, 1 each, not 2 total. You know, now I'm rambling. Anyway, that's it, everyone. It's Friday. Have a great Friday. Don't forget to like my video. Why? Because it's Friday. And it helps. And don't forget to share. And please comment. Let me know what you're doing. Over the weekend, I'm losing my voice. My live is going to be next Friday night, 8:30. I'm going to be talking about our Slay Glam box contest that we're going to have coming up. And please share my 1,000 subscriber giveaway video. It's just going slow. Yeah, it's really going slow. Let's try to get to 650 by next Friday, because it's going slow. Tag people that you've never tagged before. Tag people that you know, are not on my Facebook page, or, you know, someone new. And hopefully we can get that giveaway gone so we can have another big giveaway. That's it, everyone. I'm rambling now. You see what I'm like? Okay, bye. Love you. I'm going to stop talking because I'm just going to ramble away.